these babies. I got an idea. Okay, we're trying to use stuff readily available. And the dimensions are going to be based on the size of your grinder or sander. I got about 34 inches off the floor, which seems about right for me. And here's your basic pieces. That's for the sander. That's for the grinder. There's a corner brace. I'll cut these up and put them together. Here they're assembled. They'll be sit like that against the wall. Hold the grinder for this one, sander for that one. And there's an overhang here. You'll see later what that's for. The next thing we got to do is mount these garage door roller wheels. We use these U-bolts. Okay, we're going to leave these loose because we cannot install this on the track with these attached. They have to come off and then be slipped in and then tightened up.
Hey, over here. Hey, listen. Listen, if you're going to make a bunch of holes the same way, you might as well make a jig. That way you don't have to measure every damn one of them. See? Like this here. Look. Flip it this way, it makes these holes line up with the edge right there. There we go. And then when you're doing these holes here, flip it the other way. Line it up with that edge and drill the holes. And then flip it over like this here. Alright? Work smart. It's better. Hey. Hey, over here, listen. When you got some kind of crazy idea, something you want to do, look around your room, see if there's anything that you could use that's already out there. Okay? It'll save you a lot of time and aggravation. And tighten that up. Tighten up. Now let's mount
out some machines. Nice coat of oil-based high gloss paint on here. All right, so we're all done here. All painted up. There's the track. Garage door track from Amazon. Wheels from Amazon. About, I don't know, $100 in parts. And there's those wooden brackets all painted up. There's plenty of room to work on the motorcycle lift. And if you want to use the machines, roll them out of the way. And I use these slide bolts to index them. Actually makes it a lot safer because that captures the top and it can't pull away from the wall this way when those are in. And I put 2 holes in each carriage so that you can choose your position. You can go here, or I have actually 4 of these slide bolts. It can go here, it can go here. So by drilling 2 holes instead of one in the center, you get 2 alternative positions. So basically that's the farthest this would ever go over. All right. And here's the other grinder. Did some nice cord management down there. Well, this one can go here, which gives you enough room to work on the 2 different wheels. And here we've got a 1-inch grinder for sharpening drill bits and tools and so on and grinding. I got a brass, my secret weapon, the fine brass wheel, which can be used on aluminum and softer metals. It makes this nice kind of golden hue, and it doesn't damage chrome or most metals. It just really cleans them up and makes them look very nice. And it's pretty soft to it, so it's a lot, if your finger gets caught in it, it's not nearly as painful. Then we have the traditional steel wire wheel, which is much more aggressive for rust removal and really stubborn stuff. And then we have buffing wheel. So all the things I would regularly use, and nice to have 4 options ready to go without switching things out. And then I recently got this, which is a 6-inch 48 belt, 9-inch disc. Belt's really handy for flattening things, and you've got this nose where you can get into tight spaces. This whole thing lifts up too, which I probably won't do. And where is the fence for the 9-inch disc? Well, I made this little thing under here. There's your fence. I just made the track out of some wood scraps. So basically that fence goes on here, and then you tighten that lever. But this keeps this much material out of the way. You can walk by a lot easier. And there you have it. space saving. Hopefully give you a good idea.